Hi everyone, Steve Messri here. This video is all about teaching you how to go about measuring for side-by-side windows. As you can see behind me here, we have a set of those, and it's really a simple process. We usually provide you a diagram like this, and the boxes are here that you can actually go ahead and fill in the measurements. There are 5 measurements that needs to be done if you are doing a valance, and there are only 4 measurements if we are doing panels only. I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how those are all done. So there are 4 measurements that we require from you when it comes to measuring side-by-side windows. The very first measurement is called the measurement A. Measurement A is the space from the outside of the molding to the outside of this molding. So it will be from the outside to the outside, not the inside. Most of the measurements we require are usually on the outside of the molding. So our measurement A is the width of the window. The measurement B is the space above the window, which is from the bottom of the molding, also to the top of the window molding. This particular one is approximately about 12 or 13 inches. So we need the space above. That's our measurement B. Measurement C is the measurements from the floor to the top of the window. And sometimes this can be a little bit challenging. I like to use both of my hands by holding the tape up. So this will allow me to go ahead and do this measurement. And this one is approximately about 99 inches. And that's on the outside of the window and top of the molding. Now that I have the measurement C, the measurement D is usually the left of the window. So in this particular one, I have a lot of space on the left, so I want to go ahead and capture all of it if I can. So this one is approximately about 103 inches. My measurement E is my 4th measurement, and this is the measurement on the right of the window, and I have approximately about 23 inches. What I do is I make a note of these, and I have written them down in the diagram. So it's really clear with the arrows on there, and all you have to do is just follow that. For this particular client, we are doing a design that looks like this. And a lot of you would go ahead and choose to go ahead and do this type of window treatment. So there is one last measurement that's required, and that measurement is called the measurement H. The measurement H is from the floor to the bottom of the window sill. And that one is about 35 inches. So once you provide us those measurements in the diagram that's been provided to you, then we can gladly go ahead and deliver the product to you exactly according to the measurements with the installation instructions that will tell you where the brackets will go so your drips come out perfect. Thank you for watching.